waterfall model. First phase is requirements phase. Here business analyst will collect the requirements from client. Client will give detailed requirements to business analyst. Analysis phase. Here project managers and leads will be involved, so they are going to check the feasibility of the application, whether they are going to develop or not. Design phase. Here chief architect and technical leads will be involved. Chief architect will prepare the entity relationship diagrams and data flow diagrams. According to our imagination, he is our chief architect. Coding phase. Here programmers will be involved, so programmers will write the code, depends upon their requirements. Testing phase. Here testers will test the software which is given by the developers. So if any bugs is there, again they will report to developers, so the developer will modify the code and again they will send to testers. So this process will continue until the bug is free. Release and maintenance phase. First release phase is you are going to deploy the software in client location, and maintenance phase will maintain that application. If client may get any issues, so they will contact you maintenance phase, so they will solve their issues. Nothing would call, we can call it as support their application. When to use. Requirements are clear. Requirements cannot be changed. It is applicable to only small projects. So drawbacks. Workouts for small projects. Testing process will be late in development process. Client cannot utilize this software in earlier stages. That's it. Thanks for watching.